In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate two-step verification in Yahoo Mail. Two-step verification adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Even if someone knows your password, they still need a second check, like a code or a prompt on your phone, to get in. It's one of the simplest and most effective ways to keep your email secure. Start by opening Yahoo Mail and signing in. In the top right corner, click your account name or profile icon and select Account Info. This takes you to your account settings. On the left side, choose Security. On the security page, look for the signing in section. There you'll see the option for two-step verification. Click it to begin the setup process. You'll now see 4 ways to turn on two-step verification, and you can pick whichever suits you best. The first option is push notification. With this, Yahoo sends a prompt to the Yahoo app on your phone, and you tap Approve to sign in. Make sure the Yahoo app is installed on your device, you're signed in on that app, and notifications are enabled. This option is quick and convenient if you keep your phone nearby. The second option is sending a code to your phone number. When you sign in, Yahoo texts you a one-time code. Enter that code to confirm it's you. This is straightforward and works well as long as your phone can receive SMS messages. Keep in mind, text delivery can vary based on your carrier and location, so it's good to ensure the number on file is current. The third option is using an authenticator app. If you already use an app like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or another time-based code generator, choose this option. Yahoo will show a QR code to scan with your app. After scanning, your app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter it to finish linking. These codes refresh every 30 seconds and don't rely on mobile service. The last option is a security key. This is a physical key you plug into your computer or tap with your phone, depending on the type. Follow the on-screen prompts to register it, then insert or tap the key when asked. Security keys are extremely strong and handy when you don't have cellular service. Once you complete your chosen method, two-step verification is turned on. The next time you sign in, you'll enter your password and then verify with your chosen method. You can add more than one method so you have a backup. Only approve sign-in prompts you initiate and keep your recovery options up to date. That's it, your Yahoo Mail is now protected with two-step verification.